All right, so now we're going to go ahead and we're going to earn our yellow belt. So in order to earn our yellow belt, we have to sort some data. So we complicated things just a little bit because we added this title row right here. And so if you select the A1 and you go to data and sort, and you say that the data has a header row, that's great, except for it's not just address book. You would have to sort by column E, let's see, column F first, that's the state, and then we would want to do the city, which is column E. Now the only problem with this is if you do that, then your header row comes down here at the bottom, which is fine because you can go ahead and you can copy it and paste it and put it back up here. But I'll show you another way of doing that. So let me undo. And what we'll do instead is we'll just go ahead and select from A2 and all the rest of the data. And then we'll do the same thing. And we'll go by sort range. And we'll go to data has header row. And now we're going to sort first by state and then second by city. So there we go. We've got the states in alphabetical order, but then the cities are in alphabetical order beyond that. All right. So now the next thing that we want to do is we want to show you how to do a filter. So to use a filter, you're just going to come up here to data, create a filter. And because I'm in the wrong place, let me highlight what I want. Data. Let's turn off that filter. And then we're going to create a filter. And now you see these little lines here. So now we can filter it by last name. So we can sort it here. We can filter it by condition. And you've got some choices here. If the cell is empty, different kinds of things. And so just play around a little bit with the filters and just see how it changes your data. Now, once you find a filter that you like, then what you can do is you can come up here and go to filter views and you can save as a filter view. So if I click that, it's going to save this filter view. And I'm going to rename this filter view right up here, and I'm going to call this first sort. All right. So then I can come back up here to data, can go back to my filter views, and I can go back to the none. All right, so let's go ahead and play around a little bit more. And we're going to sort by phone number. I've never tried that before. So here we go. So now it's sorting by phone number. And so I can go ahead and also create this filter view. I'm going to save this as a filter view. And let's just call this one phone number. All right, and then again, if I want to get back to my original view, I can go back to my original view. Or I can go back to my first sort, or I can go back to my second sort. Now, if you do this, anybody who you've shared a sheet with will also see your filter views. So we've already renamed them, and that's all you need to do to get earn your yellow belt.